Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dwinanda Reza Savero and
My name is Bunga Saraswati Tamang Panji.
we will introduce to you about bolt connection method on column 2. And let's go, we start. Excuse me, man. Can you help me for bring this camera, please? Okay.
Mau iki ngomong apa sih mang iku?
This is one of the column methods that use bolt connection to make the connection be strong.
First, make a framework for columns so small.
After that, prepare for bolts and put the bolts into the mold uprightly and form a square.
Start cast process and let it dry.
Remove the mold, then plug the column on the column shoes. Fit it on the bolt, which is already mounted in the column, and lock that bolt.
Last, create one layer on column source with shorter shape like the before to envelop the bolt connection.
Thank you, sir.
Wong iki ngrepoti ae.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching our videos and don't forget to like and subscribe.